Good day, everyone. I am Olcay Nurdalet, a pupil of the fifth form at school number 2, named after Shohan Wali Khan. Today I want to tell you about Hans Christian Andersen and his famous work, The Happy Family. Hans Christian Andersen was born in 1805 and died in 1875. He was a famous Danish writer. He was best known for his fairy tales. His most famous stories are The Snow Queen, The Ugly Duckling, The Little Mermaid, and so The Happy Family. In a garden, a snail lived near a beautiful old tree. The tree had lovely flowers and fruit every year. The snail, however, didn't care about the tree's beauty or its hard work. Why bother growing flowers and fruit? The snail said, I just want to stay in my shell and sing. The tree didn't mind. It was happy sharing its flowers and fruit with the world. Bees buzzed around it, birds sang in its branches, and the children loved its shade. One day the snail said, I wish I could be like you, but it seems too hard. The tree replied kindly, we all have our purpose. I love making others happy. And you, little snail, remind me to enjoy the quiet moments. The snail stayed in its shell and the tree kept growing, giving joy to everyone. Though they were different, they lived together in harmony, a happy family in the garden. And this gentle story teaches kids about kindness, acceptance, and appreciating each other's differences.